this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, engine immobilizer, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, security system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.